Best VPNs for online security app. The pros, the cons. Best VPNs for online security app are essential for anyone looking to protect their digital privacy. Most people get this wrong by thinking of a VPN is only for bypassing geo-restrictions, but here's the surprising truth. VPNs are one of the most effective tools for securing your online presence. The primary pro is encryption. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it nearly impossible for hackers or third parties to intercept your data. For example, using a VPN on public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop can prevent cybercriminals from accessing passwords, banking information, or sensitive emails. Another advantage is anonymity. VPNs mask your IP address, protecting your identity and online activities from websites, advertisers, and ISPs. This adds a layer of privacy that is increasingly important in a world of constant digital tracking. VPNs also allow safe remote access. Many businesses rely on VPNs to give employees secure connections to company networks, reducing the risk of data breaches. On the downside, VPNs can slow down internet speed due to encryption and server routing. Some free VPNs may compromise security by logging user data, so it's crucial to choose a reputable provider. Subscription costs for reliable VPNs can also be a consideration. In conclusion, best VPNs for online security app provide crucial protection for your data, identity, and online activities. While minor speed trade-offs exist, the peace of mind and security benefits far outweigh them. For anyone serious about online safety, a VPN is no longer optional, it's essential.